Hello everyone. So now we'll start part number 8. Okay. Before going to design, we should understand the designing process. Okay. First thing is we should know which view it is. It is our isometric view. Okay. If I stand here, if I stand here and see, this is my front view. So it is look like this. So this is my front view. This is my front view. Okay. This is my front view. Then if I stand, this is my side view, this is my side view, and from the top it is top view. Okay, so we'll start from the front view. Hide and show of the plane, create a point, insert an axis, take any of the plane, sketch, go to the sketch, start from the front view. So as you can see, if you will start from the middle, then both sides will become. So what is the dimension? So this dimension is same as 85. Okay, and this dimension it is how much? 14 plus 34 plus 20. Okay, this is your dimension. Okay, so we'll start. Starting from the top, the radius is 11 mm. Okay, leave it that radius. We'll start from 16 mm, that vertical line, and vertical line, then a horizontal line, then a vertical line, horizontal line, vertical line. Okay, so this length it is 16 mm. This horizontal line dimension it is 21. So vertical length it is 85. Horizontal line, the total dimension it is how much? 14 plus 34 plus 20 is 14 plus 34 plus 20, 68. Anything left? Yes, this is 25. So this is 25. Okay, but it is in the middle. It is moving. So what is this dimension? Total it is 22. Yes, it is 22. If I will divide this dimension from vertical to here, it is 11. Now I will go for the arc starting from this point. Okay, then exit staff. What is this pair length? The pair length it is 14 plus 30. Yes, 14 plus 13 plus 20. It is 27, 47. Pair length it is 47. And go to the side plane. Side plane, take a rectangle rectangle 2040, dimension is 2040. This is 40, this is 20. We will make coincidence, right click, coincidence from this point, this line, right click, coincidence. Okay, exit tab, mirror extend, give some extended dimension, preview. Okay, this one completed. Now comes to the top view. This one completed. Now go to the top view. Okay, top view, these three. From the top view, rectangle 34 and 7 2014, 34 7, this one 20. From here to this edge 14 already taken. I'm going to take this one, need to coincidence. Then the upper one also same thing. One is rectangle, one side is triangle. One is rectangle. Triangle, it is 11.75, angle is 61.04. 11.75. This one right click, coincidence. Angle is, what is the angle? The side angle, it is 61 point, 2 into 61 point means 120. Okay, then here what is the rectangle dimension? 14 14 14, and this one 14. Coincidence, coincidence, exit tab, pocket, mirror extend, preview. Okay, I think it is wrong. Each from the top, inside that. Single line, right click, coincidence. This is 11 point something. 11.28, and this angle is 60 point. This need to be coincidence. exister. Okay, it's completed. Thank you.